Carter's first time shooting the rifle. Here we go. Take those drinks out. Now you can put your finger on the trigger. You almost got it. Whoa, you're shooting.
I almost got it.
Okay, hold it right there. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. Let Daddy do that. Hold on. Hold the gun. Hold. Carter, do what I say.
Okay.
Stay right there. I'm gonna load you up. There you go. Yeah, is that fun?
Yeah, that's fun while I shoot it all by myself.
I know it. That gun's ready to fire. Hold on. Don't put your finger on the trigger till you're ready to shoot. Line up the circles and hit that drink. Keep it as still as you can. Got it! Whoa!
That one went everywhere.
It exploded. What do you think? Look at it. Ah!
I got it!
You got it. Hold on. Keep your finger off the trigger.
Okay.
Carter's first time shooting.
And I got
Second shot. Nailed that thing.